Today we're going to open the Nerf N-Strike Elite Disruptor. Alright, this is one of your bigger guns. There's your box. Looks like a 6-shot. Says it'll shoot 90 feet. Alright. Back of your box tells you a little bit about it, how to use it. Alright, let's open it. Clip this. There's your gun. Alright. It's a pretty good sized gun, isn't it? It says 6 shots. There's where they go in. Let's open this. We'll get the bullets out. There they are. 6 of them. Let's see how they fit in the gun. Slip right in here. Press down like that. Like that. I'm only going to load 2 of them right now, but let's see how it does. Okay. What's that? Okay, cock it right here. Pull that back till it clicks. There we go. And fire. Whoa. Powerful little gun. Let's try it again. To move the shell up there. Pow! Alright. Let's set it up and do some shooting with it. We'll shoot the box it came in. We got all 6 of them in there right now. See here? Cock it. Pow! Ooh, shoot that box over, didn't it? Just got a lot of power to it. Better be careful where you're shooting it, I guess. Let's do it again. Cock it. Uh-oh. Didn't have a shell up there. Looks like you gotta turn the revolver there to get it where the shells are. Boom. Slow motion shot there. Cock it. It says if you hold the trigger and cock it, it'll fire, but it doesn't turn the cylinder around. Let's see. Cock it. See the orange? That shows it's cocked. When you fire it, see the little bitty orange piece? It means it's not cocked. Alright, cock it. You gotta turn that revolver cylinder. Anyhow, there's your gun. Quite a gun, lots of power. There's your shells. There's the dangerous part. See you next time.